Hey Grandpa, I've been reading about famous scientists in school and I'm really fascinated by their work. Can you tell me about some of the scientists you admire?
That's wonderful to hear, my boy. There are so many remarkable scientists throughout history. Let me share a few with you. Have you heard of Albert Einstein?
Yes, he's famous for his theory of relativity, right? What made his work so groundbreaking?
Exactly. Einstein revolutionized our understanding of space, time, and gravity with his theory of relativity. It challenged traditional concepts and paved the way for modern physics. But tell me, which other scientists have caught your attention?
Well, I've also been reading about Marie Curie and her groundbreaking research in radioactivity. Can you tell me more about her contributions to science?
Absolutely. Marie Curie was not only the first woman to win a Nobel Prize, but also the only person to win Nobel Prizes in two different scientific fields. Her discoveries in radioactivity laid the foundation for advancements in medicine and radiology. She truly made a lasting impact.
That's incredible. I'm amazed at what these scientists achieved. Are there any other scientists you think I should know about?
Certainly. Another influential figure is Isaac Newton. He formulated the laws of motion and universal gravitation, establishing the foundation for classical physics. His ideas still have a profound impact on our understanding of the physical world.
Wow, Newton's laws of motion are still relevant today. That's amazing. I'm curious, Grandpa, did any of these scientists face challenges or setbacks in their work?
Absolutely, my boy. Many great scientists encountered obstacles along their journey. Einstein faced initial resistance to his theories, and Marie Curie had to overcome societal barriers as a woman in the scientific community. But their determination and passion for knowledge propelled them forward.
Their perseverance is inspiring. I hope I can make a difference in the world of science too someday. Do you have any advice for aspiring young scientists like me?
I'm glad to hear that, my dear. My advice would be to nurture your curiosity, never stop asking questions, and keep exploring the wonders of the world around you. Stay dedicated, work hard, and remember that even the smallest discoveries can have a big impact.
Thank you, Grandpa. I'll keep those words in mind. It's incredible to learn about these scientists and the impact they made. I'm grateful for your knowledge and guidance.
You're most welcome, my dear. I'm here to support your scientific journey every step of the way. Always remember, the pursuit of knowledge is a lifelong adventure filled with endless possibilities.